Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. Guess what? Today is the last day of 2018. Have you thought about plans for 2019? Today's video is about two people having a dialogue, sharing their plan for the new year. Let's get started.
신년의 계획이 뭐예요? 유럽 여행하는 거예요. 와, 좋네요. 이태리에 꼭 가보고 싶어요. Let's find out the direct meanings. 신년, New Year. 신 has a meaning of new. 년 has a meaning of year. 에 is time particle. 계획, plan. 이 is subject particle. 뭐 is what. 예요, be verb, which is used after a syllable that ends with a vowel. This phrase translates to, in the new year, what is your plan? Europe is Europe. 여행하는 is from a verb 여행하다 as dictionary form to travel. By adding 는 after the verb root, the verb becomes an adjective. By converting the verb into an adjective first and add 거, which is thing, so it becomes traveling as a noun. 예요 is be verb, which is used after a syllable that ends with a vowel. So this phrase translates to, it is traveling Europe. 와, it's wow. 좋네요 is from a verb 좋다 as dictionary form to be good, or it could also mean to be nice. 네요 is a verb ending. It's implied as exclamation mark. So you can interpret this as that's nice, or in English, you can also say as how nice. 이태리 is Italy. 에 is location particle. 꼭 is definitely as an adverb. 가 is from a verb 가다 as dictionary form to go. 보 is from a verb 보다 as dictionary form to see. When 보다 is used with another verb that's conjugated, it means try the first verb. 고 싶어요 is from 고 싶다 as dictionary form. It means want to. So this phrase translates to, I definitely want to go to Italy. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 신년의 계획이 뭐예요? 유럽 여행하는 거예요. 와, 좋네요. 이태리에 꼭 가보고 싶어요.
If you like this video today, please give thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any thoughts or suggestions about the future videos, please feel free to comment down below, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!